I actually encourage na kahit may work na kayo, whether it's corporate or meron na kayong client as a freelancer, na meron pa rin kayong part-time or side hustle. Because just like any other businesses, walang guarantee ng ROI or return of investment dito sa freelancing. Kahit gaano kayo kagaling sa client, kahit gaano kayo kabait sa client, kahit binigay nyo ng lahat sa kanya, kulang ka pa din. Charot lang. Dumadating talaga sa point na they have to let you go, that they don't need you anymore. And that is okay. That simply means that you have already completed the project. Kaya dapat meron ka naka-backup. At the same time, dapat nag-iipon ka. Kailangan meron kang buffer just in case na i-let go ka ni client. I learned this siguro twice or thrice na super long term yung client, 6-7 years ako. Pagkatapos biglang they had to let me go because of one reason or another. Buti yung first time ko, natuto kagad ako. So, may konti tayong backup nun. And nakakuha kagad ng client. So, yun yung isang bagay na kailangan tandaan, lalo na kung papasok pa lang kayo sa freelancing. Kaya sinasabi ko lagi, if you have full-time job right now, huwag muna kayo magre-resign until such time na prepared na kayo physically, mentally, financially. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Fun from our work from home. Chismis. Bye!